Hello, I'm Suzanne, and on today's Printerland review, we'll be taking a look at the Epson WorkForce Pro WFC5210DW A4 colour inkjet printer. A fast and productive machine for any office, this Epson model produces quality prints at speeds up to 34 pages per minute. Compatible with Windows or Mac, you can connect via USB, network and wireless and benefit from all-round connectivity. The 6cm colour control panel provides a very user-friendly experience, but there is also the option to print from any Apple or Android device via Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print. Flexibility is woven through the design, including the paper handling options, which include a 250-sheet input tray and 80-sheet multi-purpose tray. Most importantly though, you can rely on the WFC5210DW to produce ultra-sharp quality output in 4800 by 1200 dpi print resolution. With both affordable high-yield inks and automatic double-sided printing, this colour machine is designed to reduce ongoing costs. On the whole, the Epson WorkForce Pro WFC5210DW A4 colour inkjet printer is the savvy choice for productive business that requires quality on a budget. Visit our website at printerland.co.uk to see the full specification, or just pick up the phone to speak with a printer expert today.